We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding.
Hi there, in this video I'm going to review a few Best Buy Christmas decoration products, Christmas tree ornaments, Santa costume for kids and budget LED lights. Let's start planning and preparation for festive season. There will be huge rush and demand. Order the items you need before it's too late. The links to all these products you can find in the video description below. The first product in this review, I'm going to talk about the Christmas tree for this Christmas 2021, and this tree is about 4 feet and it has a solid metal stand. The total height of this tree is about 5 feet. It also shows how you can set up the tree, adding the branches and the fixings, and the current price for this Desidia product is about 1,499. To hide this solid stand for this tree, you can also buy Christmas tree skirt with color of red and white. Okay, here are other choices. For 699 you have this red and white, and other is a golden color you have for 799. The link is provided in the description below, which takes directly into the product page. You have 76 pieces of plastic balls, gift pine tree stars, candy sticks and Santa Claus from Webble cards. This is about 699 rupees, and this is in 10 days returnable. This has multi ornaments. You have the candy hanging around it, bell, and a cute Santa Claus. Next one is from Fizzytech, 12 pieces of shatterproof Christmas ball ornaments. If you wanted to add, this is about 12 pieces of them for 299 rupees. Next one is from Craft Vetica, Christmas wreath for front door tree decoration. The pack of 3 for 549 rupees. Again, this is in the stock. You have other choices for 6 pieces and 12 pieces, so you can go for it. The next product is from Evisha, 12 pieces of big size candy cane hockey umbrella for your Christmas tree is about 325 rupees. Again, 10 days returnable, and this is nice looking candy here. The next product, wooden hut house and 1 feet tree for Christmas decoration, which is about 950 rupees, which is in stock. The baby Christmas around in, you have a small hut here. Christmas scribe house native set baby Jesus, about 15 point into 7 centimeters, which is about 785 rupees. And the last one, which is baby Jesus, 9 centimeter in length, 5 centimeter height, 1 piece, which is 400. There is a Archie's Christmas tree string pack of 1.5 feet. So if you want to have this look very nice above the Christmas tree, or you can put it around your decorations. And also you can add it to you if you have a staircase inside your house, you can groom that. Yeah, this is a nice one. And this dress is for a girl child about 3 to 5 years, about 675. This is a 4-star rating, and we have a good review on. And you have other choices here for 2 to 3 years, and you have a 5 to 7 years and 7 to 9 years, 729. And this Santa Claus costume for a boy about 3 to 4 years from Kako Fancy. I have dresses for 6 to 12 months, 1 to 2 years. Here you have a Santa Claus costume for the kids. This Santa Claus dress on this baby looks very cute. Really, it's cute. And yeah, if you have a baby girl, and this costume is very good. Santa Claus costume costs about 799. Package include and 1 Christmas hat and Christmas top, and 1 Christmas pant and carry bag. There are other products within your budget. Please find the links below in the video description. The next product is Snowflake Lights 16 LED with 3 meters length. Decorative string LED lights for Christmas, wedding and festivals. This warm light produce cooler background for party pics. Price is about $349. The link to this product has been provided in the video description below. Next, I will be covering few LED curtain string light products. Some products are a bit higher in price. The first one is from Phase 138 LED curtain string lights with 8 flashing mode. There are a couple of shapes in these hangings: trees, deer, stars, Christmas bell. You can also place them in the main door, around the Christmas tree, or hang in the curtain wall. These LED lights cost about $899 rupees. This is CCR 138 LED curtain string lights with 8 flashing mode again. Okay, the last one on my list, which is purple multicolor star curtain LED for Christmas, wedding 2.5 meters. 138 LED. Hanging around this LEDs outside will always groom your house in a better way, and this cost about $749. And the next product I recommend is for clear tube rope lights, indoor and outdoor decorations. If you have a tree outside, if you wanted to decorate that, this is a product for you. E-Wear waterproof multicolor rope. This is about 10 meters. You can put it around the tree. Okay, there is another product from E-Wear, the LED water resistance and flexible ceiling strip rope lights. This is about 20 meters if you have a bigger tree outside, and this is the choice for you. There's another product from the Bright Electronics, about 5 meters LED rope light. It's a waterproof. This comes with the RGB color red, green and blue with the adapter. This is about 411 rupees. You have other choices. Decorate your tree outside with the single colors. You can go for it. Lengthier, you can go for 10 meters, 20 meters, 50 meters, but the cost is about 3,000 rupees. This LED lights from Chitra 200. The length is about 45 meters long. Black wired fairy string, tree twinkle lights, and this has about 8 lighting mode. Good for home decoration, party and outdoor and garden. The length is long enough to cover 2 trees if you have them in your garden. It is from Trice Arts, 16 stars, 136 LED curtain string fairy lights. This also has 8 flashing mode. This V-shaped curtain lights decorate for Christmas, wedding, Valentine's Day, and can also be used in other occasions as well. So especially for photograph, you do not need to have any extra background lights. All the pictures looks brighter and memorable. Before end this video, if you think this video helped you adding values, make sure you like this video and leave the comments below. Hit subscribe button for future videos. See you in next video.